Hi, we are Parkway Central High School, Thespian Troupe 1876. This is our Honor Troupe application and artifacts. Here's like a table of contents for you. Okay, application. So here is our Honor Troupe rubric, and it is filled out for our 4 categories except for presentation and registration.
So, we participate in a lot of things, and most recently we went to the International Thespian Festival. We had 5 participants in that, and we've also gone and had representatives 2013, 2012. We also go to the state conference, and we usually have about 20 to 30 people attend with us. So we've gone in 14, and there's some pictures of that. In 2013, our show, The Diviners, performed at State, and we have a picture of us setting the setup for that show. We've also attended the State Conference in 2012 and 2011. We go to Leadership most every year, and we have documentation of 2013, 12, and 11. So here are the invoices from the State Conferences for 2014, 2013, 2012, and 2011. We have the invoice and the proof of leadership in 2013, 2012, and also 2011.
So then, for state level involvement, we had many students audition for MST scholarships at the Missouri State Thespian Conference in January 2014. And of our applicants, both Katie Richards and Nick Bible won the MST Tech Scholarship for $1,000 each. We also had a couple students audition for college scholarships. And our community outreach grant, we had one student write up a grant and apply, and she won $1,000 so that we can put on a community theater show that will tour 2 children's hospitals. In the MST-IE event for short film, we had one student submit a short film and he won. For Page to Stage, we had 2 students submit, and we had many participants in the all-stage show Violet. Here is the program of Violet as an artifact. For more artifacts, we have our sponsor duty sheet, which is here, and it's signed and filled out.
Okay, for local level involvement, each year we put on 2 full-length productions. Here's our fall production, Wait Until Dark. There's some pictures right there, as well as the program. For our spring production, we put on The Fox on the Fairway, and here are some pictures of that. We also had 3 seniors put on 1-acts. Here are the 3 1-acts, a picture of one of the casts, as well as the program. For student-designed technical aspect, Emily Walters and Shelby Meyer painted the psych wall for Fox on the Fairway, and we have some pictures of the work in progress, as well as the final product. For shows attended by the troupe, some of the shows we saw were Clue the Musical, Legally Blonde the Musical, among others. For loaning materials, we loaned Y Down Middle School some sweatshirts and sweatpants, and here is the email evidence of that. We also teamed up with the business department for cross-curricular to create tabletop advertisements for our spring show, The Fox on the Fairway. You can see them in this picture. Each year we also have an all-district picnic where all of the Parkway schools get together to have a picnic and celebrate theater. So here's a picture of that. We also took some students to Piermont Elementary. We brought our improv team as well as some technicians who taught them how to do makeup and other technical aspects. And then here is the email evidence of that. Each year we also go to the St. Luke's Hospital annual banquet for a troupe image boosting event. We perform and entertain the guests and go along with the theme. There is a picture of that. For more troupe boosting events, we have our theater parent organization. Here are some artifacts from that. They are very involved with our department. Here's another form from the theater parents. For our troupe membership induction, right here we have the list of people that were inducted into our ITS Honor Troupe from this past year. For our Cappies involvement, we have a picture of our Cappies team right here, as well as a chart of which articles they wrote were published. Over here, they actually canceled the Cappies Gala this year, but we still received our awards. We had 24 nominations and we received 9 awards. And then here are some articles written by Cappies team members from Parkway Central. This one's written by Kayla Benjamin and another Parkway Central student, Matthew Stephen Greenbaum.
Our theater department is highly involved in our community. For example, every year we participate in Tots Eat, where we collect canned foods from different houses and donate it to Circle of Concern. Here we have pictures of us collecting the canned foods, and we also have a proof for us donating the canned foods to Circle of Concern. As well as that, each year for our philanthropy community service, we participate in Special Olympics. Here we dress up as clowns and mimes, and we put a smile on the kids' faces by painting their faces and entertaining them. We also participate in Beautification Day, where we clean up the grounds of our school. We have pictures here to show us cleaning the grounds. And we also have times of certain theater students who participated. We also participate in Adopt a Family, where we technically adopt a family and provide gifts for their holiday season. Here we have an email and an attached list to show what we donated. As well as this, we also participate in Random Acts of Kindness. Here we bake goods for our school's other activities and clubs. This year we also participated in Making Magic Defying Gravity, where part of our theater department put on a showcase of their talents, and two of our students won scholarships. Here we have a thank you note and thank you email and a program. For service learning this year, we participated in a drunk driving simulation. Here, part of our actors participated in a fake driving accident to promote safe driving. And this is our certificate of Honor Troupe induction in 2013.
So we are the officers of Troop 1876 saying we're very sorry that we couldn't attend leadership this year, but thank you very much for your time and we hope to see you next year.